There's been some arguing lately between the states and the federal government over funding. Now, the problem is Australian state government's under a lot of pressure at the moment because of their budgets. And a big reason for that is the GST. Now, all of the money raised by the GST goes to the states, but the problem is we're now buying a lot more stuff that's GST free than we did back in 2000 when it was introduced. So this means the states effectively get less money than they used to, and that's less money to spend on things like public schools, health services, all of which are already in need of more funding. So what to do? Well, some have suggested raising the GST from 10% to 15%, but the problem with that is it's gonna hurt people on low and middle incomes the most, because the GST is a regressive tax, which means it hurts people more the less income they have. So that's a bad idea. We could start including GST on things that are currently GST free, like private health insurance and private school fees. These are things that higher income households spend more money on, so it would actually be a progressive option. But we don't just need to rethink the GST. We could actually just get better at taxing the gas industry. Currently, almost all of the offshore gas projects don't pay any royalties. We give them the gas for free. The federal government could introduce a federal royalty scheme for offshore gas and just include that in the GST pool of money that goes to the states. Taxing Australia's most profitable industry would be a much better way to fund our schools and health services than raising the GST and hurting those already doing it tough.